Jai Srimanarayana. 18th sloka of 12th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Samasyatrau cha mitre cha tadha manavamanayoho sitoshna सुखदुःखेषु समस्संगा विवर्जितः ओम. If you want to become more dear to Sri Krishna Paramatma, be impartial to friends and enemies. Be not affected by honor and dishonor, cold and heat, and any other situations. And do not get contaminated by other attachments in this world. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I want to become more dear to you, for which I shall be impartial with friends and enemies. I shall be not affected by honor and dishonor, cold and heat, happy and grief, and also I shall not get any contamination from any attachments in this world. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please guide me to act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham, 10th Skandham, 225th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying like this, Hey Bhagavan, holding one curd rice bite in your left hand. Standing there, you are looking so beautiful. Hey Bhagavan, I would like to pray you heartfully. Asyapi deva vapusho madanugrahasya swaichhamayasya natu bhutamayasya kopi. Oh Swami, how much anugraham you are showing on me. You are the one who came down as this Gopala only to bless this entire world. You became so accessible to everyone. And you are now one of the boys Gopalas in this Vrindavanam. And you are so mingled with everyone. Hey Bhagavan, even after I have committed so much mistake, you are still loving me. You are an embodiment of affection. O Paramatma, I do not have any other option. You are only my shelter. Nirajaksha nanuganna tanri ninu bhajintu mrokki nirajaksha. Now I do realize that you are the one who is my father. O Sriman Narayana, I am touching your feet. I am bowing my head. I am doing namaskaram. And now I am praying you. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 12th chapter, 18th sloka. Samasyatrau cha mitre cha tadha manavamanayoho sitoshna sukha dukkheshu samasanga vivarjitaha. Samasyatrau cha mitre cha tadha manavamanayoho sitoshna sukha dukkheshu samasanga vivarjitaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.